How to bail someone out of jail, step by step. Step 1. Contact a licensed bail bond company in your area. The top bail bond companies are open 24/7 and are always available in times of need. An excellent bail bond company will be well versed in helping you when dealing with the recent arrest of a friend or loved one. Step 2. Bail costs vary depending on several factors including the type of charge or charges, state and location of the infraction or infractions, the severity of the violation, prior offenses, and additional factors. Step 3. Consult with and then contract with a bail company that can secure your release from custody. We hope that this information about how to bail someone out of jail was helpful to you. Aladdin Bail Bonds. Bigger, because we're better. We get you out. We get you through it. Aladdin Bail Bonds is the largest bail service provider in the United States. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Visit AladdinBailBonds.com, or call 800-300-2245, that's 800-300-BAIL.